Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of grade 4, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Here is your teacher Mrs. Sanaullah with some new lessons about contractions, possessive pronouns, homophones and other pronouns. All these are lessons you have been studying during the last few lectures. So these exercises which you will have on page number 98 and page number 100 won't be very much difficult. So first of all, we are going to do an exercise on page number 98. In this exercise, you will have contractions and possessives. What are you going to do, my dear students? You will rewrite each sentence, correct any incorrect contractions and possessive pronouns. Here you will have some sentences on page number 98. In every sentence, there will be one or two mistakes. You will rewrite the sentences after correcting the mistakes here. The first sentence I'm going to read. I put my bag here and my parents stored theirs at their feet. Now this theirs is wrong. Okay, it should be theirs. But in the real sentence, the teacher has written their apostrophes. That's wrong. Okay, so you will rewrite the sentence. You will write the sentence again with the correct word theirs. Okay, I will repeat it. I put my bag here and my parents stored theirs at their feet. Let's go to number 2. You're going to love this new book that just came out. Now this your Y-O-U-R is totally wrong. No way it is correct. My dear students, please rewrite the sentence with appropriate correction. It will be your. This is actually the contraction of you are. When you will write you are in the form of contraction, it will be pronounced as your. You are going to love this new book that just came out. Please write Y-O-U''RE. Number 3. Do you think they are going to be late for the show? Now again, apostrophe is missing between they and are. So you will rewrite the sentence with the correction. Do you think they are going to be late for the show? If you are going to write only the green highlighted words in the answer, so it will not be accepted. You must rewrite the full sentence. Number 4. I picked up the small suitcase by its handle. Now there should be its its without any apostrophe. Okay, I picked up the small suitcase by its handle. And number 5 on page number 98. Is that your aunt sitting with your mother in the audience? So you will write your Y-O-U-R. Is this your aunt sitting with your mother in the audience? And number 6. I think it's funny that you and I have the same first name. It's. Now that is wrong actually. It is. I think it is funny. So when you will write it is in contraction, it will be pronounced as its. It''s. It''s. I think it's funny that you and I have the same first name. Now we are going to do exercise A on page number 100. Here we are going to talk about pronouns and homophones. Last time I told you homophones are the words which are alike, which are similar to the other words in sound, but their spellings and meanings are totally different. Here you will circle the correct word in parentheses to complete the sentence. Number 1 sentence on page number 100. Do you want to go to summer camp with your friends this year? So here are two your, Y-O-U-R and Y-O-U''RE. Both spellings are correct. Okay, both are homophones, but we have to choose the best one according to the sentence. Here you will choose Y-O-U-R, your friends. Just circle the correct pronoun your, Y-O-U-R. Number 2. I watched the alligator move its tail back and forth. Please circle its. Number 3, we must hurry because they are waiting for us in the car. Here it will be theyre as the correct answer. So you are going to circle there, theyre. That is a contraction of they are. And number 4, it is almost 8 o'clock in the evening. So you are going to circle it''s. It's almost 8 o'clock. You can also read as it is almost 8 o'clock in the evening. Now we are going to do exercise B. Please read each sentence and underline the subject pronoun on the line. Write a contraction for the subject pronoun. Number 5. They are patiently waiting for the bus. Here in this sentence, the word they is a subject pronoun, so you will underline it. Draw a line under they, okay? And then on the line which has been given to you in the book, you will write the contraction of they and are. So in the contraction, they and are will be written as I have written here. Please note it down. Write they're without any space there. Number 6, somehow it is missing from the safe. So it is will be written as it's in the form of contraction. You will write on the line it''s, but you will underline only it because it is a subject pronoun. Number 7, you are going to be sore tomorrow. Here in this sentence, the word you is a subject pronoun. Please underline it. And the contraction of you and are will be written as Youre, Youre. Number 8, next week it is probably going to rain. My dear students, in this sentence, the word it is this word it will be declared as a subject pronoun. So you will draw a line under it, and on the small line please write it''s, it's. That is the contraction of it is. So far we have done a couple of exercises about possessive pronouns and homophones. I hope you will have written all the answers correctly. So this is your homework to revise the exercises at least twice. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with some new lessons. Till then, bye bye.